So if you've got a C10 in the works and your frame is old and bent, somebody jumped it over a ravine at one point in its life, or even just want a nice 69 big block drivetrain, this auction might be for you. Okay, so we've got the 1969 two-wheel drive CST C10. It is all original besides the wheels, 21,000 mile, 396 big block, long box truck. Drives absolutely amazing. Pretty sure it's a California truck because it's got the small compressor on the engine. We are going to be restoring the truck with a Roadster Shop chassis, LS3, new transmission, whole new drivetrain and everything, just to bring it into the modern age. But the original drivetrain is super nice. Low miles, runs great. It's not clunky and loud or anything, super smooth. Cruises at 65, 70, no problem. And just even looking at like the steering wheel, you can tell this thing is, I mean, right now it is completely unrestored and just looks brand new. Whoever had it didn't want to cut up the dash and put a undermount radio, which I always appreciate because I hate when people cut random holes and stuff and we have to shave them or try and figure out how to get the original ones back. Thing even has the original bag that the jack and everything came in behind the seat over there. Yeah, oil pressure, we got our voltage. Thing runs about, I mean, when I've hooked an amp meter up to it, it runs just about 14 volts. No temperature in it just yet, but it is 30 degrees here. So it's got power steering, power brakes. I honestly have no idea if it's disc brakes or not at this point. We haven't really torn into this truck yet. Hopefully next week we get to taking the interior out and the body off and all that fun stuff. Let's run through the gears. Reverse. Down to drive. Go around the loop here. Second. From left to right, we got our functionality of lights that work, little throttle knob, cruise control. We will check when we get out on the road here. It's got power steering, super nice original steering wheel, horn, reverse, drive. All of our gauges, being battery, temp gauge, all work. It's got good oil pressure. Fuel gauge does work. Speedo functions. Wipers, all functioning good. The radio, I do not know. I don't think it works because someone put an aftermarket one in. Heater does work. We're on defrost right now. Yep, nice and warm. Too cold to tell if the AC works. I kind of doubt it's got R12 in it, but if you open that, Marcus, the cigarette lighter is in there.
Yes.
Don't know if we want to.
Original, doesn't even look used.
Yeah, brand new.
No, no smell of smoke or anything either.
See if that thing pops out for us.
Glove box light works.
Glove box light and the switch.
Want to go through your options here?
Yeah.
So you got side molding, air conditioning, front stabilizer, manual throttle, right there. 396
Okay.
V8, power steering, heavy duty battery, chrome bumper rear, custom sport truck, CST. Saddle brown seat and trim, tinted glass, door edge guards, non-glare mirror. That's your day and night mode.
Okay.
Brake booster, power brakes, 61 amp generator, turbo hydromatic, so should be a turbo 400. Chromed hubcaps, radio push button, amp meter oil gauge, and white and orange. I think this truck had the white deleted, so it's just orange on orange.
With the white cap, not orange, but no white stripe down the side.
Okay.
But we're gonna change that with the restoration. Yeah, and this thing does work. It lit up. So that's cool. I've never seen one of those that actually works. That radio doesn't seem to want to turn on.
That's all right.
Ashtray is super quiet. Unbelievable.
No rattles there. Yeah.
No creaking. Then you've got the wood paneling right through the middle there for the CST package. Sweet, just an ultra nice truck everywhere. Headliner still original, still soft and just perfect.
It's back to how well it was stored. I mean, these steering wheels usually split. The dashes, they get, sun beaten and cracked.
Yup.
Nothing like that going on here.
Even had the dash painted to match the saddle brown up there.
Yeah. All right.
Go for a little drive?
Yep.
Suspension rides like it's only got 20,000 miles. It's kind of a bumpy road, but you're not hearing clunks and squeaks and all kinds of stuff like that. All the little bumps and turns. especially when it's 30 degrees out. Everything seems to get louder then. See if we can hit a couple of these bumps at a pretty decent little clip.
Yeah, it's a great riding little truck. I mean, usually you got a lot of rattling going on with these, and there's nothing like that going on here.
Yeah, especially over bumps like that. Yeah, I'm pretty sure this is even the original exhaust that came on in '69.
Yeah, he's got a set of winter tires in the bed. Looks like they're on original Steely's orange.
Yeah, we're hitting these bumps at about 30, and yeah, just
It's riding
like
like a new car.
like a champ.
Brakes come in nice, it feels like.
Yeah, power brakes working good, not squeaking or anything. Get out in front of this dump truck or whatever the thing is here. See if we can get this cruise control to work. So we're at 40, just hit third, I think.
You can go past. Might either be 50.
Yeah, like, okay. Even still, we'll get it up to speed here. Going 60. '65 was fast in 1969. And see if we can set this. Nope, I don't think so. Would not be surprised if that cruise control unit is just dried up. That's all.
Yeah, it's a vacuum on
Vacuum,
it.
yeah. Yeah, no cruise control. It's all right. Even still, sitting in here able to have a conversation at 65 is pretty impressive. If you've got a C10 in the works and your frame is old and bent, somebody jumped it over a ravine at one point in its life, or even just want a nice '69 big block drivetrain, this auction might be for you. Still got a lot of options you can do with these original frames. Simple 5.7 drop, 4.6, keep it original. I mean, shoot, even if you want a 4-wheel drive swap these, the frames are pretty modular to do whatever you want with. Going back into the dealership now to park it. We'll have more videos and pictures to come of the teardown, the build process, and just the bare frame and engine itself once we get everything taken apart in the coming weeks here, hopefully. Thanks for watching.